Hi guys, I'm back with another vlog, and this time, yeah, I'm in the bathroom because my brother's also vlogging, so I'll go in there in a second once I've done my intro. Go check him out. Don't know what his channel is. I'll ask him in a minute when I go in, so let's go do this. Rah, rah, rah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's all I can say.
Rah.
Well, that's Megadeth 2002. Check him out. Got some pretty cool videos.
What's your name on YouTube?
Should 147.
If you want to check this being at that, you just type Judah147 in on the in the search bar, and it should come up. And he's talking to his nothing.
Judah147 vlogs
For days. Oh yeah. Mentioned this in my last vlog, just when I ended it. Get that viewer hype up, 160, and then Minecraft, hopefully some high stakes with him. That should be pretty good. Hopefully he does it, because I need to go get some batteries from the shop tomorrow morning. You coming up with me? So I can do some high stakes.
title, is that the name?
Your titles, where you put your title?
Vlog, Judah147 vlog.
You need to come up with a good name, just put interrupted or something like that.
Yeah, but has it come up as Judah147 and that?
Oh, it still comes up if they know what your channel is, it'll come up. As long as, go down a second. Yeah, it's gone public, so it'll come up on title screen.
So,
Yeah. Hello.
He's just, yeah.
Yeah.
I think he's just contending what he's doing. He's just
Alex,
It's normal.
I was just supposed to go down to my dad, but he's saying, bring him up here.
I gotta keep this way because I'm vlogging.
Alex, oh God, that's one of you to put your socks on.
He's
I
working.
think that's why he's looking at.
Look. He's working. He's putting his title on now. So, go on, Scarpa. Oh yeah, ask me mum for one of them. And so, need 5 more views. 5 more. Hit 160. That's it. And then 200. I'm gonna go down to the BMX track with my phone. So I'll have to check what that is. Whatever it's thingied on. Aha, you can't see my girlfriend. I'm just reading his thing. I'm being rude.
yeah, that's all I have to do now. What about tags?
Tags. Tag me in it. Megadeth 2002. So
It's pretty scary actually, this vlog stuff. Oh man, I put it as Judah147 vlog, first ever.
that's your first ever vlog?
Yeah, vlog. I've done
Jesus,
some,
this is my
I've got
fourth thing.
asking one for a five, ghost found in house, no news obviously, and that was a month ago. When I go through it. I've got EDL Rotherham, I've got Crazy Lad Walks in Shop.
Do you know
I
the
like it.
ghost one and all that? Did you check see if they were on public? Because they might not have been publicked.
Yeah, I know that. I did put them on public. I only put my last video on public, that was Crazy Lad Walks in Shop.
Passes
Hey, well, I don't care when I'm off anyway.
Oi, now type your name in. Your own name in on search bar, right?
I ain't got a name, I've just started.
It will. It'll come on. It'll come up.
I'll do it when thing.
Oh. I'm gonna say if you want to edit them, you can edit them, and you can put it as thing. Yeah, can change it public. That's Jack Oxborough. Oh yeah, another thing. Go check. Can't remember.
Legitimate BT.
Yeah, everyone checks it. Okay, so
Rotor
try Jack Oxborough. I don't know if it'll come up. I'll find it out, put it in tags, and then I'll put Silly Turnip there in it. So guess that's it.
I might go out tomorrow and have a walking dog. If
Oh yeah, walking dog. I'm gonna vlog that tomorrow as well.
Yeah, we obviously Judah 147.
So we're vlogging on this.
Down like that, like.
Every person walks past us like, whoa, what you two doing?
Walking dog. Yeah,
Running off from him. We do.
a joint. Turns out to be a roll up.
Yeah, what we do basically, it's like, if you can't, I know you won't be able to see it, but them houses there, if you can't see them, and then over back, there's another house, and then over back of them, there is the park,
69%.
and we walk all the way around, and then there's these trees, and they're like that, from where my tablet is to my hand, and we hide behind them. But anyway, I'm gonna go check Turnip Boy here out, and
Don't say that, don't try to turn it, boy, man.
adios.